In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download fonts from Behance. If you're a designer or just love experimenting with new typefaces, Behance offers a fantastic platform for discovering and downloading unique fonts. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Behance's website. Behance is a vibrant online community where creatives across the globe share their work. It's not only a great place to find inspiration, but also a treasure trove of resources, including fonts. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the search bar. The search bar is your gateway to exploring all the creative work shared on the platform. Click on it to activate, allowing you to enter your search term. Next, type in fonts and hit enter. This will generate a gallery of projects related to fonts. Here you'll find a diverse array of font projects to choose from. These projects are created and shared by talented designers, each showcasing their unique typographic styles. Find a font that piques your interest and click on the corresponding project. By clicking into a project, you'll be brought into the designer's world, where you can explore their work in more detail. It's a fantastic way to not only find what you're looking for, but also get inspired by the creativity and craftsmanship behind each font. Within the project page, you'll see two options. If you're planning on gathering ideas or curating your personal collection of design inspirations, you can choose to add the font to your mood board. The mood board feature on Behance allows you to save projects, making it easy to refer back to them later. Alternatively, if you're looking to download the font right away, look for a download link that might be attached to the project page. Designers often include a link where you can access the font files directly. This link may lead you to a free download, or it may direct you to purchase the font through another platform. And that's really all there is to it. Once you find the download link, follow the prompts to save the files to your computer. Be sure to check the licensing agreements to ensure you're using the font within the terms set by the designer. In conclusion, downloading fonts from Behance is a simple process that opens the door to a wide variety of creative possibilities. By following these steps, you can easily expand your typeface library with fonts that speak to your design style. Thank you for watching and happy designing with your new fonts.